Hi, here we have a paddle for a paddleboard, and the problem that we have with it is that ours, just like many other people's, broke right here at this plastic part, because as you can see there is a piece left out. Maybe it's on purpose so they break more easily. And many other people are having this issue. And yes, you can buy this plastic piece from Decathlon, the local shop here, but it's for a different paddle which does not have these grooves and keeps sliding around. So we decided to try and fix it ourselves because it's already broken, so nothing really can go wrong. And we're going to try to put a pin like on the other side to secure the paddle like this. But on this side it has a single pin, and we got this double-sided pin in hopes of it being stronger. So we're going to drill through the paddle here and in this, so they hopefully lock together. So first we're drilling a tiny hole, a pilot hole, so we can drill it through more easily with the big drill head. Also, on the end of the paddle, there are these rubber caps or plastic caps which are supposed to prevent water from going in, so they float on top of the water and don't sink. But those didn't really work anyway, so it doesn't really matter if we drilled holes or not. And this plastic piece we're going to get off by just hitting it off. As you can see, it was glued on there. So now that it's drilled, all you need to do is just put the pin inside . So now we got the pin inside and moving correctly. Now let's assemble it.
One pin is out. And the other is almost out, but it's stable.
So now that it's done, it's pretty stable, doesn't wobble a lot. It's still a bit more janky than the original, and it's a bit hard to disassemble, so we're not really gonna be disassembling this side, just the other one with the stock pin. But overall we hope to have saved at least the amount of a new paddle, because we hope this lasts longer than a new paddle with the not so great plastic wood. And if you want to keep it adjustable, you could drill some more holes like here, I don't know, wherever. But because we're quite tall, we will just keep it like this.